What's going on, fams? What's going on, everyone? What's up? I'm back, baby. I am back. What's going on, everyone? So I'm just gonna wait a little bit till we have at least 20 viewers. I have amazing news to share with you guys in this today. I have amazing news to share with you guys today. So I'm just gonna wait till we have at least 20 viewers. I have a lot of news to share with you guys today. The market right now is tanking, but I've got some news to share with you guys today. Let me put this right here. This is what I am watching right now. Bngo, baby. What's going on, everyone? I'm back. I'm back, baby. I am back. What's going on, everyone? Let me know if you can hear me clearly in the comment section. Tesla. What's going on, everyone? What's going on, farms? This is my my chart. These are the trades I am monitoring right now. Okay, some are breaking out, some broke out already, but right now they are correcting. Neo is going crazy. Bionano Genomics is going crazy, in the opposite side. And oil. I don't know if you guys trade oil. Oil is going crazy. Oil is breaking out. You guys should be prepared to pay extra cost at the pump. What's going on, everyone? What's going on, everyone? What up, Danny? It's your boy Dayo. This is Frunkla Investment. This is Frunkla Investment. I have a lot of news to share with you guys in this video, but I'm just gonna wait a little bit till we have at least 20 viewers. We are going to cover a lot of stocks, and of course I have a lot of news to share with you guys about Bionano Genomics, because I have tons of information that we need to dig into. As you guys know, every day we have to talk about Bionano Genomics to know what is going on with our investment in this company. So what up, everyone? Let me just wait a little bit. If I have enough viewers, then I will continue. If not, I will just record my video and share it with you guys. I love something about the live streaming because I get to interact with you guys. You get to ask me a question, I get to ask you a question as well. It's more or less like, what is this thing called where Elon Musk is going to, you guys use it in USA, where you can meet and you can chat and stuff. We don't use it in Germany. I think it's only available for iPhone users or something like that. So I have a lot of open trades right now that I would like to talk about, and Bngo, of course, is going down right now. I mean, the stock is down about more than 2%, I believe, right now. So we have 20 concurrent viewers. Let's continue. What's up, Ching Ching? Hello, Kimberly. Let's get to it. Bngo is down today, guys. What is going on? Bionano Genomics is down today. What's going on? Why is it going down? Let's take a look at what is happening with the stock market generally. Why is the market down? I mean, I have a lot of, let me first of all reduce my so you guys can see me clearly. You guys can as well see the screen, because you are not here to look at my beautiful face. You are here to look at what is happening, what I have to share with you guys. So Bngo right now is down, guys. What is going on? Bngo, this is a perfect another opportunity to add to Bionano Genomics position. If you are already invested in this company and you would like to, love to add to your position, this is a good time to add to your positions, okay? Because you buy low, you sell high. That's the rule. I have been tracking this support right here, and it seems we broke it a little bit, but I can't really say that we break it completely. So I just need to keep tracking it. But this right here is a very solid zone. You guys can see we came down here on the 27th of last month, and we bounced on top of this support, 5.82 US dollars. So there is a possibility that we are going to come back down to this 5.82 US dollars level, and then we can bounce. Okay, so that is one thing I am tracking on Bngo. Right here I have AMD. AMD is breaking out. I have been buying AMD around here. You know, right now I'm in super green, super green. And of course, NIO is breaking out. We have a lot of news coming out from China about electric vehicles. You know, Chinese government is supporting NIO. As you guys know, China, they love supporting their own people. You know, American companies go to China. China steal their technology. This news also may affect Bionano Genomics in the future. I read somewhere that there is a possibility that China is going to come up with their own optical genome mapping technology company or whatever. I just hope they are not going to, you know, still be Bngo technology. Okay, so that's why I believe NIO is going up. Chinese government is, you know, they want to put some subsidies and stuff into it. Any Chinese citizen that buys electric vehicle, they are going to give them like I don't know, 7,500 US dollars or something like that. That's why I believe NIO is going crazy today. And of course, I have Occidental Petroleum right here breaking out. If you guys are into Occidental Petroleum, this is a breakout happening right now. Okay, so for you day traders that are following, because I have long-term investors subscribe to my channel, and of course I have some of you guys are short-term oriented. So this is what is happening with Oxy right now. Okay, you guys know that I follow a lot of stocks. I don't just follow Bionano Genomics. Even though this channel is, you know, basically about Bngo, I follow a lot of stocks to know what is going on with the market, so that I can keep bringing you guys amazing news. This is oil right now. Oil breaking out. I don't know where oil is going. I mean, I am driving. I don't drive electric cars, so I hope I'm not gonna be paying extra price at the pump. It's crazy. Tesla, of course, is, you know, going down. Tesla is going down while NIO is going up. I don't know why. We just have to wait and see. Probably this is just on short term, because, you know, but the scary thing is technically Tesla is not looking good technically, but fundamentally I think nothing has changed so far. Day traders are just doing everything. We have a lot of short sellers there right now, you know, betting against Tesla, and possibly they are, you know, winning today. It seems the price is going to head lower, but you know, we just have to wait and see. So let's take a look at the news that I want to share with you guys in this video. First of all, have you guys seen my Bionano Genomics due diligence? I shared a video most recently about Bionano Genomics due diligence, and hopefully most of you guys have seen the video. It's like 1 hour 18-minute video where I spoke a lot about everything you need to know about your investment in Bionano Genomics, how the company is run. You know, here you can find the topics. Let me just make it bigger a little bit. Here you can find the topics, you know, 100%, 101% due diligence. And this is not financial advice, of course. Introduction to Bionano Genomics, the history of the company management, the founder. Most of you guys have no idea who and Cow is. This is the founder of Bionano Genomics, and he is presently, I believe, the chief scientific officer of Bionano Genomics. So the list goes on. Every information you want to know about Bngo, this file is available at the bottom of this. I put the link below, so you guys can easily, anytime you want to learn more about Bngo, or you know, you forgot something about the company, maybe about the product or the services or the competition, you can easily come over here and click on the link, and you can find more information about, you know, their competitor. For example, right here you can see Pac Bio, Nanopore, Thermo Fisher, Illumina, NanoString, 10x Genomics. I spoke a lot about all of them in that due diligence video. You can go back and check it out. And of course, I spoke about ARK Invest, what they are doing. And in this video, I am still going to talk about ARK Invest in this video, because there is a new comment from Simon about Bionano Genomics and why they are betting big on Pacific Biosciences of California. So I am still going to talk about it in a just give me a minute. So In this due diligence file, you can find a lot of information, of course the financials as well. You can find it there. I didn't really go deep. I didn't put my own comment on the video that I recorded about this due diligence. I just shared my opinion. I mean, I just read everything for you guys. Okay, so I am still going to be digging deep into this, into each page of this video, little by little. I mean, towards the end of this quarter, and of course towards the end of towards the beginning at the beginning of next quarter. So this is just so you can find information about the analyst coverage as well, their price target, and of course a little bit technical analysis about Bngo, the consensus price target of analysts, and so on and so forth. And of course, most recent press releases from Bionano Genomics, you can find them on this on the due diligence page as well. So now let's go to the next page, okay? Because I want to talk about, there is an article that came out last week, May 28, 2021. This article is from Investor Place, and they said the bear case for Bionano Genomics carries more weight. They spoke about why nobody should invest in Bionano Genomics. So I am going to talk about that article in a while, but I think we have to wait a little bit because I need at least 20 concurrent viewers to share this news with you guys. Okay, so if I don't have 20 concurrent viewers, I will not continue, guys. So what's up? What's going on, Kimberly? Bngo is nothing more than a hype stock. It is now pathetic with so much promise. Why is it continuously tanking? Wacko, since when did you turn bearish, my friend? Brother, when did you turn bearish Bionano Genomics? Why would anybody turn bearish Bngo? I mean, we are at the beginning of something amazing, and the short-term volatility shouldn't, discourage we retail investors, because most of the time institutional investors are the ones making money. Okay, I mean, we retail investors, we mostly buy high, we sell low. That is why we don't make profit through our investment. So guys, you just have to stay positive. I am trying to dig up. Okay, so Bngo right now is down like 4%, trading at $5.92. We are down like 25 cents at the moment. So this article right here is from Muslim Farouk. That is the name of the writer, but the thing is, I don't really trust what is the name of the writers, or anytime Investor Place for or any other news media out there, like the Monthly Fool, whenever they share an article, they can easily pay anybody to write something for them that is going to get a lot of clicks. They just have to give the topic to somebody and tell the person that, okay, this is your topic, we want you to write something like this, because these people have a lot of tools and they can track what is going on with the market, and they can know, they want to get clicks so that they can make a lot of money through their advert and so on and so forth. So somebody shared this with me on Twitter, and he said I should comment on it. So that is where I'm going to start. Okay, if you guys want to, if you have any article that you would like to share with me and you would like me to comment on, you can easily drop it in the comment section, or you just find me on Twitter and tag me in the post, in the tweet, and I would gladly dig into the article with you guys. So I haven't read this is my first time of reading it, because I was busy digging a lot of other stuffs that I want to share with you guys in this video. So let's get to it together. Now the article continues. It says, it's been quite the year for the life sciences company Bionano Genomics. Bngo stock was trading for as little as 50 cents late last year, before the short squeeze lifted the stock past the penny stock territory and then some. Okay, Reddit traders, once again Reddit traders. I mean, I don't know why they always call us Reddit traders. Most of us, we invested in this for example, when I invested in Bngo in December, when it was trading around 50 cents, I was not on Reddit. I mean, I have known about Reddit for years, okay, but I just never go there. So Reddit traders believe that its Norwegian diagnostic technology called Sapphire has an incredible growth runway ahead. However, with its float at roughly 10%, the question is whether Bngo stock can establish its presence in the life sciences sector. Bionano Genomics game changer Sapphire, the product, is unique as it relies on gene sequencing and can map an entire genome, blah blah blah. With over 2,500 cytogenetics labs, the company believes it has a massive addressable market of over $3 billion US. However, several risks can currently overweigh the upside of investing in Bngo stock at this time. Okay, so let's get to it. So this is the bull case according to the writer. Naturally, the bull case for Bngo stock is linked to the success of the Sapphire device. Bionano received a huge boost last year. It posted the results of a study that highlighted how Sapphire outperformed a device developed by its rival, Pacific Biosciences. The genomic sector will ramp up to $62.9 billion US by 2028, growing at a I didn't know that, $62.9 billion US by 2028. Okay, this is interesting. The genomic sector. So according to this writer, the genomic sector is going to be ramping up to $62.9 billion US in 2028. I need to dig deep into that. So it continues. Growing at a compound annual growth rate of 15.3% from 2021 to 2028. Okay, interesting. The company is finally showing signs of promise. Its first quarter results saw its revenue rise by 179%, guys. I mean, why would anybody be bearish Bngo? We saw the first quarter revenue rose by 179% on a year-over-year basis to $3.2 million US because the first quarter of 2020, Bionano Genomics made a total revenue of about $1.1 million US. So for the first quarter of 2021, they made $3.2 million US. That is why we have this 179% increase in revenue. So which comfortably surpassed estimates of $2.9 million US. Okay, so now this guy is talking about the bullish case. Okay, it also posted a net loss of $9.9 million US, which showed a solid improvement over the $10.5 million US net loss it generated. I think he meant to write it's generated in the same period last year. So Bionano are now analyze some blah 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 blah. Okay, so Bionano Genomics said they are going to their target for 2021 is to install 150 Sapphire devices, okay, by the conclusion of 2021. In that case, Bngo stock could help, could keep its momentum if it makes significant strides toward its goal. So now this is the bear case, and I want to go through this bear case with you guys, and then we are going to check out the conclusion, okay, so that I can give my own opinion to the amazing guy that wrote me on Twitter that asked me to put to tell him what I think about this article. Now, this is the bear case. There are several risks that Bionano currently faces, which are chopping away at its upside. The first is the stiff competition in the sector. Okay, that is the first thing. Stiff competition in the sector. Let's highlight that. In an industry where there is so much potential for growth, competition is imperative. Bionano has done well to convince investors that it's carved a niche in one of the subsectors of the market. However, with several crossovers in the sectors, that notion is most inaccurate. Okay, so however, with several crossovers in the sectors, what crossover is this guy talking about? I'm going to use this pink color so that we can come back to this and talk about it. So he continues, moreover, with the high competition, companies must focus on product security and differentiation. For example, though Bionano has registered several patents concerning Sapphire, it has outsourced some key manufacturing components. He is talking about, vertical integration. What this guy is saying right here is Bionano has registered several patents concerning Sapphire. It has outsourced. Okay, this one outsourced some key manufacturing components. This raises questions about whether competitors can produce similar types of products down the road. Now, furthermore, it must continue to have enough cash to meet its expenditure. Enough cash. We have enough cash. Okay, we have a lot of cash. Not even, this is another point. To meet its expenditures on research and development. However, Bionano's cash flows from operating activities were negative last year and were offset by common stock sales and exercise of on-stock warrants. Hence, the company needs to look at ways to maintain its cash balance that doesn't involve shareholder dilution. Okay, this right here is a very good point. The company needs to, figure out how to make money Of course, Bionano Genomics right now is not yet profitable. Okay, Bionano Genomics is not yet profitable. They need to make profit apart from selling stocks, apart from stock dilution and so on and so forth. Apart from the ATM at the market, raising fund and so on and so forth. So, just a second, guys. I want to dig something out and before I'm going to continue, guys, let's just switch over to the technical analysis and see what is going on with Bngo right now. Okay, Bionano Genomics. I think I have closed. Okay, I didn't close it yet. This is it. This is it, guys. This is it. This is the price action of what is going on right now. So I just want to, I'm gonna, because we have like 14 concurrent viewers, I need to share this video so that most of my subscribers, they can know that I am live. Okay, I am live. This is what is going on right now with Bngo stock price, guys. You guys can see it has found a bottom right there. Okay, we have a bottom. We have a bottom. So just a second, I'm gonna, please guys, you can easily help me to share this video so that we can have more participants. Okay, we can have more guys join us on this and of course, what's going on, Becky Salcedo Monster? It's okay, we will just buy more. I love these low prices. What's up, Ray Malaspina? What's up, Ray? What's going on, guys? What is going on? So I want to retweet this, and I want to share it also on several platforms so that we can have more guys join us. Okay, so just give me a second, guys. I am going to be with you in a moment. I have a lot of things I want to talk about in this video, but there is no need to rush. I have plenty of time. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my time, and we are going to be watching what is going on with this stock, but we are going to be live trading together. So it seems Bionano Genomics has found a bottom. If you're a day trader, you know what to do, right? You know what to do. So this support is still holding right here. I do this support. This support dates back to the bottom. First of all, before I continue, let me quickly show you guys my new t-shirt. Okay, I don't think you guys have seen what I put on. Check this out, guys. I bought the dip. So right here is when Bionano Genomics was $4.30 US. I bought the dip and I made this t-shirt out of it. Okay, diamond hand, guys, diamond hand. I still have a lot of positions that I opened below $1. So I mean, a lot of people are panicking right now, but not Dayo. Definitely not Dayo, because this is a long term investment for me. I am not in a hurry. So just a second, guys. I'm going to try and post on this live stream out there so that we can have more participants, and because I like to share my my due diligence with more viewers so that we can have more people talking about Bngo. That is what we have to keep doing, guys. We have to keep helping Holder. I like sharing the little that I know about Bionano Genomics with other investors. I am live. I like sharing the little knowledge, trying to help, because we have a lot of investors in Bngo that don't really have enough time to do their own due diligence. That is why somebody like me, that's where I come in. Okay, and I am not the only person doing videos about Bngo. We have several other, I have a lot of colleagues doing videos about Bngo, and of course I watch all their videos. I was a few minutes ago on auspicious what is his name, Descent or something like that. I was watching his video. I watch Mr. Invest. They are all my colleagues. So yeah, so this is what is happening right now. It seems we have found a bottom right here. A lot of people might have panicked and sold their position. So if you guys, if you see this t-shirt, if you like my t-shirt, please let me know in the comment section. Do you like this t-shirt? Do you like it? Let me know in the comment section, guys. Are you guys, are you planning to buy any teas of Bngo? What are you planning to do? If you like my t-shirt, let me know in the comment section. I have like 3 t-shirts about Bionano Genomics, and I'm going to be wearing them, as time goes on. I'll be showing you guys little by little as time goes on. So this is what is happening right now with the market and Bngo. So just a second. I'm gonna be with you guys in a minute. I am going to be with you guys in a minute. If you have any question, please drop the question in the comment section. If you have any question, let me know, guys. If you have any question, let me know. Let me know if you have any question. So if you have any question, let me know. Bngo, we have a lot of articles out there that I want to deal with in this video. Just a second. I'm trying to share this with Bionano Genomics. Bionano Genomics, guys. Bionano Genomics. Bngo. If you haven't seen my due diligence, you really don't need to, it took me weeks to put together that little file, that 71 pages of Bionano Genomics due diligence that I shared with you guys and made a video about it yesterday. It took me weeks to put it together, because I am just trying to save you guys as much time as possible. It is completely free. You can just go below. I think I put the link below. You can easily go below and you can find the link and you can learn more about Bngo. Okay, I believe most of us are not short-term investors. We are not day traders. We are long-term investors. For example, I just want to add into my position every week. Anytime I see an opportunity like today, like we have right now, you guys can see the price is dipping. It's dips today, and a lot of people for sure panicked, so they sold already around this level, around this 5.87 US dollars level. I believe a lot of people have already closed some of their positions, but this is a great opportunity to add to my own position. So as you guys know, I am live trading as I am here. Okay, I mean, Bngo is a long-term investment for me, but I have short-term trades that I have going on right now. So just a second, guys. So Bngo at one point was down like -4%, but right now it has retraced a little bit to -3.5%. I think today we should close. I'm not saying we are going to close green today, but I believe we should at least close, like, in worst case, -1% or even less than that. Okay, so there is no reason for me to panic or anything like that. No reason to panic. Bngo. I don't know why this. Just a second, guys. I am almost through. Almost through. We need more viewers, guys. I mean, we are just 20. I need more viewers, guys. I need more viewers. And please drop a like so that at least the crazy YouTube algorithm can pick it up and share it with other subscribers of this channel, because it's really difficult right now to get your video across to other subscribers, to your subscribers. YouTube algorithm is dealing with a lot of YouTubers. It's not easy to make video, guys. So let's continue. Let's continue. So where were we? So I think Bionano Genomics has found a bottom. Okay, I think we found a bottom today. I mean, there is absolutely no reason for the stock price to be going down. So I think I was watching Auspicious Descent a few minutes ago, and the guy was panicking like crazy. I mean, I wanted to come live around this level. Immediately the market opened, but I just kind of knew the stock was going to go down a little bit, so I just thought I should wait a little bit, and so that I can we don't get to experience all the downtrend. So let's continue with the article. So this guy from Investor Place, he shared this bearish article. The title says the bear case for Bionano Genomics carries more weight, and I think we already went through most of it. The bull case is about the 62.9 billion US dollars by 2028 that the genomic sector is going to go up, and the genomic sector is set to increase by 15.3% every year, okay, annually from 2021 to 2028, guys. 15.3%. If you are invested in Bionano Genomics, for example, and you are able to make, let's say you have all your money invested in Bngo, for example, and you are able to bring in 15.3% every year till 2028, guys. I mean, you just have to do the mathematics. This is what we call compound interest. I mean, if you put money, if you invest some in as an investor, any investor that is able to bring in 15% every year, that investor should, that's, I mean, it's not easy to bring in 50% every year. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. So now, according to experts, this sector is set to increase 15.3% every year until 2028. So if Bionano Genomics right now is trading at $6 and we are panicking, okay? I mean, this stock was trading at 50 cents last year, and right now at $6. At one point it was 50.56, $57. You should know that it's just the beginning, guys. It is just the beginning. Even according to my due diligence, if you go on my due diligence page, there is a place where I spoke about the my 9 years forecast. You guys can see it right here, my 9 years forecast, and right here, guys. And according to my 9 years forecast, you guys can see this is where we are right now, guys. This right here is where we are, okay? I mean, we are here 2021. It's just the beginning. It is just the beginning. Let me quickly correct that before it goes crazy and destroy all my work. Okay, so now let's continue with the article. So the bear case says the first is the stiff competition in the sector. I mean, does Bionano Genomics, do we have any competitor? In my due diligence page, I spoke about the competition, and I didn't really comment in that video. These are the competitors right here: Pac Bio, Illumina, 10x Genomics, Oxford Nanopore, NanoString, Thermo Fisher Scientific. None of these guys has the device, that has the capability of what the Sapphire has, okay? None of these guys has built a device that can do what the Sapphire device is able to do. None of these guys is into optical genome mapping. None of these guys has a device that can study the genome, the human genome, from 500 base pair. We are talking about 500,000 BP and above, into the millions. None of these guys can do what Bionano Genomics is doing right now. Here is the the segment. You can see the pie chart right here. We have DNA, we have RNA. Bionano Genomics is right here. None of these guys can do what the Sapphire device is able to do. So we are still going to talk about ARK Invest in this video, because I have a comment from Simon that I would like to touch, and why they are not investing in Bionano Genomics. I'm still gonna tell you guys more about it in this video. So let's continue with what this guy was saying. So now he continues, outsource some key manufacturing components, and the only point that I see in this article is these two things right here. Bionano Genomics is not completely vertically integrated, okay? Bionano Genomics is not the one, they are not the one building the Sapphire device. Paramount or Paramount, something like that is the name of the company that is building the Sapphire device, okay? But Bionano Genomics, they are the one, I believe they are, they are manufacturing, they have something they are manufacturing in-house, okay? But not the Sapphire device. I think it's either the prep kit. They are for sure not making the consumables. They are not the one making the chip. They outsource it as well. I think it's either Thermo Fisher or Illumina. One of these two companies are the one making the consumables for Bngo. But the preparation kit, I believe Bngo is making it, because it's more or less a plastic, okay? So this is a good point. I would give this guy 50% right here. 50% we outsourced, and 50% we are making it in-house, okay? So he continues, he said the company needs to look at ways to maintain its cash balance that doesn't involve shareholder dilution. Okay, so this also is a very good point. Bngo is not yet profitable, okay? We are not yet profitable. Bionano Genomics is more or less making money from share dilution. That's where they made their money from in January, okay? We saw these two share offerings in January, one at $3 and the other at $6, and that is where more or less where they got their 360 something million US cash from, okay? So this right here is a very good point. But of course, this is a growth company, okay? I believe at one point Bionano Genomics is going to be profitable. Okay, if we take a look at my due diligence, let me quickly share something with you guys in this due diligence page. If we want to talk about let's talk about profitability. Now, this is my 9 years forecast of Bionano Genomics. Okay, now we are here in 2021, and according to the financials of Bionano Genomics, they need about 41 million US dollars right here. I don't think I can, guys, this is crazy. So they need about 41 million US dollars. In 2020, Bionano Genomics spent about 41.1 million US dollars. That is how much they spent to run their business in 2020 for 12 months. So in 2021, according to my estimate, where is my 9s? So this is my estimate for 2021. I expect Bionano Genomics. Where is my I'm looking for my total expenses. So I expect Bionano Genomics to spend at least 49 to 51 million US dollars for 2020. That because they are employing more workers, so I believe their expenses is going to go up a little bit. So in 2021, I expect Bionano Genomics to spend about 50 million US dollars. Okay, so now take a look at this. This is 2021, and let's say we are spending 41 million. We spent 41 million US dollars in 2020 to run the business for 12 months. So in 2021, let's say we are going to spend about 50 million US dollars to run the business for 2021. Okay, now let's take a look at the Sapphire, how the Sapphire is going to increase over time. So for 2022, okay, 2022, next year, I expect Bionano Genomics total revenue to be at least 44 million US dollars for the whole of 2022, for the 12 months 2022. Okay, now for 2023, I expect Bionano Genomics, according to my model, to make about 90 million US dollars total revenue. Okay, 2023, guys, 2023. So according to this article, this guy is saying that Bionano Genomics right now is not profitable. They are making money from shares dilution. That is, the base of his bear case. Okay, the bear case. That is the only point I have right here, that Bionano Genomics is not profitable. So according to my model, in 2023, Bngo should bring in about 90 million US dollars in total revenue. If everything keeps going like it is going right now, for 2020, you guys know that they want to install, their target for 2020 is 150 Sapphire devices. Okay, but according to the CEO, he believes they are going to do at least 50%. It means they are targeting between 150 Sapphires and 180 Sapphire installation for 2021. So now, if this guy in 2 years, Bionano Genomics should be profitable, guys. In 2 years, Bngo should be profitable. You can take that from me right now. Bngo will be profitable in 2 years, 2023, guys. We are right now in June. Okay, this is June 2020. In the next 2 years, we are going to be having a total revenue that is closer to 50 million US dollars, guys. 50 million US dollars. And what I'm trying to tell you guys is, if you are not yet bullish Bngo, if you think the stock price today went down from 6.1 US dollars to 5.8 US dollars, and you want to sell all your shares because you believe Bionano Genomics is going down or whatever, guys, in 2 years, I'm still gonna be here laughing. I'm gonna be here laughing to the bank. Okay. This is not financial advice. So what else can I share with you guys? So that is that about the monthly fool. And I said the monthly fool about what's investor place. So now let's take a look at his conclusion. So that is the conclusion. The conclusion says he concluding thoughts on Bngo stock. 6 month returns for Bionano stock are at a dumbfounding 1,150% due to the Reddit induced short squeeze. However, the stock is now back to earth. Oh my god, the stock is now back to, and we can finally get down to the brass tacks. Yeah, Kimberly, 1 month price performance 38.37% in 1 month. I mean, I don't know why this guy is saying the stock is back to earth. How can the stock be back to earth if we are trading at 66 US dollars right now? I mean, this stock was in December 2020 trading at 50 cents, way below 50 cents even. I think it was 25 cents at one point. So I think that is it. That is it about this article. That's why, I like doing my own due diligence. I don't like listening or, listening to all this news media out there. I learned this lesson when Tesla, it started with Tesla. They were writing a lot of bull crap about Tesla. And that is when I started to do my own thorough due diligence, because I don't want anybody to tell me what is going on about my investment, because nobody is hustling for me. This is my money. I suffer to make that money, so I want to know where I am putting my money. I don't need anybody to tell me what is going on. That's why I just started this channel about Bionano Genomics, so that I can share with you guys my due diligence every day. And perhaps some of you that don't have enough time to do the due diligence can learn one thing or two things. Okay, so this is the second article that I would like to touch in this video. Could Bionano Genomics be a millionaire maker stock? So let's dig into it. This provider of genome mapping tools is showing signs of exponential growth ahead. If you are looking for a life science stocks that could make you a millionaire, Bionano Genomics is beginning to look like a solid candidate. The company is quickly cornering the market for a service that can find gene mutations that DNA sequencing machines tend to miss. In December, before Bionano Genomics stock went parabolic in December of 2020, this news, something like Bionano Genomics can do what Pac Bio cannot do, what Illumina cannot do. That was the press release that Bionano Genomics dropped, and that's why the stock went from 50 cents to $3 towards the end of December. And of course, they also spoke about the throughput, how they increased the throughput of the Sapphire device to be able to analyze 96 human genomes per week instead of, I think it was 30 something or something like that. So that also helped the stock to skyrocket. And guys, don't forget, towards the end of this year, Bionano Genomics is, they are working to increase the throughput of the Sapphire device by 14-fold. So don't miss this rally. I don't know how else I can say this. So let's continue. Investors who bet 10,000 US dollars on DNA sequencing heavyweight Illumina back in 2004 saw the value of their shares reach the 1 million US dollars mark in 2018. Illumina. In 2004, what was the price of Illumina in 2004? If you invested 10,000 US dollars in Illumina in 2004, in 2018, your 10,000 US dollars would have turned into 1 million US dollars, guys. I mean, that is absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. Let's take a look at Illumina. I mean, in 2004, Illumina, 2004. I'm gonna switch over to weekly candlestick so that we can see what the price was in 2004. Okay, because there is a reason I am making this video. I am not here to cater for day traders. I am here to talk to long-term investors. Okay, I remember when I was in the university in Poland, I studied automatic and robotics. Okay, I am an engineer, so you have to focus on a long term. So 2004, this is where Illumina was in 2004, guys. Illumina was trading around this same level. I hope you guys can see it. Let me know if you can see it in the comment section. Okay, in 2004, Illumina was trading at this $4 level, just like we are right now. And take a look at this. For 2 years till 2006, Illumina didn't really go anywhere. Here it is, guys. Yeah, here it is. 2004, look at it. Illumina was even as cheap as $1 in 2004. $1. Then in 2000 towards the end of 2005, it went up to $5. Then it went back to $2. Then it skyrocketed. Since 2006, the stock, I think this is the breakout. I'm gonna draw the breakouts, and I'm gonna show you guys where the stock went crazy. So you could say this, and you could also say this right here. So you guys can see the head and shoulder, bam, 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 bam. And since then, Illumina has been going higher and higher. So if you put 10,000 US dollars in Illumina in 2004, right here, 10,000 US dollars in Illumina, when the price, let's just say the price was 5 US dollars, just like right here, 5 US dollars in 2004. In 2018, you would have 1 million US dollars. I mean, that is absolutely crazy. 1 million US dollars, guys. That's a lot, mouthful of money. 2018. Look at that. 2018, we just went as high as 300 and something, 371 US dollars. Of course, I mean, a lot of things has changed about the stock market right now. Okay, we have a lot of things has changed. I mean, the stock market is not how it used to be. Now we have the Feds pumping money like crazy. We have Jeremy, we have the Fed machine pumping money every day. And right now, even the Biden administration, they are already negotiating. I believe they want to pump out another stimulus package. I think 2 stimulus packages again, even after the 1.9 trillion US dollars or something like that that they just gave the Americans. I mean, I am in Germany, so I don't really I don't know what is going on with our own government. I don't know what they are doing. So this is Illumina right here, guys. I mean, in 2004, the stock was around 5 US dollars, and right now, this is Illumina. Illumina is now trading at 401 US dollars. Few months ago, I think this was in January as well, February. Okay, this was February, 1st of February. Illumina went as high as 500 and where is it? Where I need to see the max. Okay, it was 8th of February. Illumina went as high as 555.7 US dollars. 555.7, guys. I have a price target of 100 US dollars. I mean, I have a Bngo price target of 100 US dollars. Okay, excuse me. And the consensus, the analyst consensus right now is 12 US dollars. That is the analyst consensus, which of course is going to give us like 100% upside from current level. Okay, so if you buy Bngo right now and you are able to hold it at 5 US dollars, and at one point Bngo all of a sudden gets to this Illumina level, nobody knows the future. Okay, I mean, Bionano Genomics also could go bankruptcy, nobody knows. Okay, this is not financial advice. Let's say everything goes fine for Bngo and they manage to install 10,000 sapphires, because their total addressable market is around 10,000 sapphires. If they manage to install 10,000 sapphires, guys, I mean, and the stock price is able to go as high as Illumina, perhaps maybe they come up with another device using the nano nozzle technology. Maybe they are going to come up with a sequencing device, or a device that can, map genomes and also sequence the genome. So let's say the stock price goes to 555 US dollars in the next 10 years. I mean, I don't know. You cannot put your money in the bank and get such a reward, and I don't think you can even start a company. You need to work your backside off if you are going to start a company and invest 10,000 US dollars at 5 US dollars right now, this 5 US dollars level, and in 10 years your money turn into $1 million US dollars. I mean, 10,000 US dollars. So now let's go back to the article. I think that is all about the Illumina side. So let's go back to the article. So this guy said this DNA sequencing heavyweight Illumina back in 2004 saw the value of their shares reach the 1 million US dollars mark in 2018, and it's still marching higher. Does Bionano Genomics have what it takes to produce Illumina-sized gains for patient investors? So it continues. Detecting structural variation. So it spoke about how Bionano Genomics is able to see what other DNA sequencing technology out there are unable to see, like Pac Bio and Illumina. This is right here. And it also spoke about the repeat, because Sapphire device from Bionano Genomics is able to detect repeat, copy, and inverted deletion, but Illumina is unable to detect it. Illumina is even trading at 400 US dollars right now, guys. When I started to make video about Bngo in the first week of January, my first video about Bionano Genomics, and when I spoke about my 100 US dollars price target, I compared Bngo with Illumina and Pac Bio, comparing their market, the total addressable market, the growth forecast, and the stock price, and their devices, the technology, and that is why I started to make video about Bngo in January. Excuse me, guys. need to doing something. So that's why I decided to make video about Bionano Genomics in January, because Bngo Sapphire is able to do what these technologies out there are unable to do. So it continues. Increasingly popular, Bionano Genomics wasn't the first to market optical genome mapping technology for biomedical research, but it is miles ahead of any potential competitors. The company shipped 11 Sapphire systems in the first 3 months of 2021, bringing the total to 107. So we now presently have 107 Sapphire in stores, okay, at the end of March. Sales of consumable goods that researchers need to buy from Bionano Genomics every time they actually use their new Sapphire machines are accelerating. So you guys can see the sales of consumables are accelerating, guys. I mean, the sales of consumables are going higher. So we are talking about revenue. Now I'm gonna change this color to something like this while I catch my breath a little bit. So this suggests previously installed machines are getting heavier workouts and not just gathering dust. The company sold 2,603 flow cells in the first quarter, a 275% increase over the previous year period, and a new company record. Yes, in the first quarter of this year, we set a new record. The CEO also spoke about it. That was a new record. We sold 2,603 flow cells in the first quarter of this year. Now let's continue. Before I continue, let's quickly take a look at what is going on with the stock price, because I told you guys that I believe we found a bottom. So let's quickly take a look at what is going on with the stock price, because the market is still open. Okay, so we found a bottom. Like I said, we found a bottom right here. Okay, I was expecting the price to come down to 5.8 US dollars, but we didn't make it. So let's see what's gonna happen next. I think we found a bottom for the day. So like I said, I expect Bngo to close at least, in worst case, minus 1%. That is what I am expecting. But of course, this is the stock market. Nobody can predict what is going to happen in the future of the stock market. So now let's continue with the article while we watch what is going on with the market. So he continues, accelerating growth, getting third parties to pay. Okay, getting third parties to pay for your product is the key to success in any healthcare endeavor. While the Sapphire system is used to diagnose patients, how do you, oh my god, my English is destroyed, German language. With ultra-rare diseases, Bionano Genomics has traditionally sold its tool to research institutions, not healthcare providers. Okay, so blah 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 blah. Allowing healthcare providers who don't have advanced degrees in molecular biology to add optical genome mapping to their rare disease diagnosis tool, but blah 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 blah. So now this is the risk. As at recent prices, Bionano Genomics sports at 1.7 billion US dollars market cap. That could swell to many times its size, making you a millionaire in the process. But if lots of clinicians don't pick up that what the company puts down over the next year, the stock price could also collapse. Okay, like I said, if Bionano Genomics is unable to deliver, if we are unable to install as many sapphires as possible, then leukemia news, UFO news today, leukemia news. I'm gonna check. What's up, ED? I'm gonna check that out. Leukemia news. What news is that? What news? I think that is all about this article. We have more or less covered everything that needs to be covered from this article from the Monthly Fool that said, could Bionano Genomics be a millionaire maker stock? So let's take a look at what is going on with the I can read you guys saying there is a news. So I don't know what news is there. Let's take a look. There is no, I can't see any press releases right now, guys. I can't see anything. What, Edie, what news are you talking about? What is the leukemia news? What news are you talking about? There is no news right now for Bngo. No news right now for Bionano Genomics. Let me quickly take a look at Twitter and see if they have made any tweet most recently while we are live. Twitter, Bngo, Bionano Genomics. Oh, 26 minutes ago, there is a new tweet from Bionano Genomics. But I think this is old. I don't think this is new. Dr. Tuomo Mantere presented an update on published work evaluating OGM for the analysis of 52 patients samples with a variety of forms of leukemia. Thanks, Edie. Thanks for bringing it. So, Bionano Sapphire showed 100% concordance with previous findings from 3 standard cytogenetic methods combined. So let's take a look at this news. I think it's old, okay? I don't think it's new. So I am right. I mean, this is old. I already went through it. You guys can see it's from January 26, 2021. And the title back then was Next Generation Cytogenetics Comprehensive Assessment of 52 leukemia genomes by optical genome mapping, assessment of 52 leukemia. So this is from Finland, and Dr. Tuomo Mantere, University of Oulu, Finland, and Radboud University Medical Center, the Netherlands, presented an update on published work evaluating OGM for the analysis of 52 patient samples with a variety of forms of leukemia. Sapphire showed 100% concordance with previous findings from the 3 standard cytogenetic methods of karyotyping: fluorescent in situ hybridization FISH and chromosomal microarray combined for simple cases. In complex cases, it finds more complexity than standard methods could and more closely represents the actual structure of the cancer genome that current methods are unable to find. So I mean, this is not really a breaking news. This is something that has been known, that Sapphire device is of course going to replace all these traditional tools that researchers are using to check what is going on with genome. So this is not a breaking news, guys. This is not breaking news, but I mean, a news is a news. We can make use of any news right now. I think it's just the Bionano Genomics media team trying to remind us of what happened in January, because right now most of us are just focused on the stock mooning. Okay, let me make a comment. Bngo, Bionanians for life. Bionanians. Let's freaking go. I don't want to use a bad word. Let's FG. Let's go. So I'm just gonna choose one of my favorite tweet. I'm gonna choose Morgan Freeman, and yes. So I mean, this is not something new. This is 52 patient samples with variety of forms of leukemia. Bionano Sapphire. The thing is, Bionano Genomics need to keep talking about how the Sapphire device is in 100% concordance with all these old school cytogenetic methods combined. Okay, FISH microarray, karyotyping, and Bionano Genomics need to let all these researchers know that there is a device called Sapphire that can perform all these activities, cost effective, and it's cheaper, it's faster, it can see more things that all these old school devices are unable to see. So I'm losing my voice today, guys. I am losing my voice. So a big shout out to MOM, and of course a big shout out to Santi Lopez. So now we are going to move to the third part of this live stream. I mean, we are just getting started, guys. I have a lot of things lined up that I would like to talk about with you. I would like to share with you guys, okay? I'm losing my voice, guys. What's going on, Matt? What's up, Matt? Welcome to Frunkla Investment. Guys, please click on the like button. Don't forget, okay? Like the video. It is not easy. And please help me to share the video. We need to get as many participants as possible on board so that we can at least, we can have a lot of investors coming in and talking about their, Bngo investment. So right now the stock is down like 3%. Now we are, closer to I think we are right now at $6. $6. We were down like minus 4 point something percent when I started to make this live stream. Okay, so now we are down. I mean, we have managed to recoup about 1% loss. So now we are down like minus 3.08%. Okay, and most of the stocks are heading higher, not only Bngo. Let me quickly switch over to my chart because something is going on right now. Okay, I mean, so we found a bottom, like I told you guys previously. We found a bottom right here. I mean, it's easy to spot that. Now, Tesla seems to be, fighting. I think a lot of short sellers are also going to try to short Tesla at this point. But as you guys can see, this is the 1 hour candlestick. So it's really, really, I mean, only day traders use this 1 hour candlestick. Long-term investors, they use the dailies and the weeklies. And as you guys can see, Tesla is just, maybe we are going to see a little bit correction towards this 614 US dollars. Then the rally is going to continue, but this right here could be a bear trap. Okay, I mean, day traders are going to see this pattern right here and they're gonna be like, okay, this is an opportunity to short this stock, and of course your broker is going to sell your stop loss. If you have your stop loss right here, for example, and you open a sell right here and you are waiting to take profit, let's say around this, let's say 600 US dollars, you want to take profit right here, but your stop loss is here. So your broker is going to sell your information to the whales, okay, to Wall Street real short sellers, and they are going to take you out. So the market makers, they know where the stop losses are, and they will just make sure the price go on the opposite direction and take out all the day traders, all the paper hands. So Bngo right now is trying to, I mean, last week we saw the same pattern. Last week we saw the price come down. You guys can see right here, we saw the price come down, bam bam bam, then we closed green. So don't be surprised if that is what's gonna happen today. This right here is 30-minute candlestick. Okay, last week the same thing happened on the 27th of May. You guys can see right here, we opened with a massive red candle, bam 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 bam, then the stock price started to go higher around around this time, exactly around this time. That is when the stock price turned, bullish. It started to go back higher. Okay, so don't be surprised if this is the beginning of the what we saw last week. And we may close green today. I mean, last week we saw that closing, it was powerful. They just drive the stock price down to send a lot of short-term investor or retail day traders. They wipe them out. I mean, they set the bearish trap. This is what they call the bearish trap. You think the price is going to keep going down, then you open a sell only to watch the price go on the opposite direction, and perhaps you have your stop loss right here. They will just take you out. This candle right here took everybody out. Okay, because if I was day trading, I would put my stop loss right here at the because this is the highest price of the day. You just put your stop loss right here, and you're gonna watch it. You're gonna just watch the price take you out. So I mean, I'm trying my best to explain this. What's up, Kimberly? Diabetes is the #1 type of pharmaceutical dollar, and Bngo can detect the chromosomal flags before the disease manifests symptoms. Diabetes. I still need to make I need to go deep into all this. I already made a video about prenatal test. I made a video about it. You guys can find it on my channel, but I haven't spoken about diabetes yet. Okay, I spoke about solid tumor already, about cancer. I spoke enough about hematological malignancies. We are talking about all this leukemia and so on, but diabetes is something I haven't touched. Diabetes, that's a very good point. So now let's continue. So where was I? So this right here, this is a post from MOM. He shared it with me, and this is a post that Santi Lopez is one of the Bionano Genomics due diligence. What should I even call it? Should I call him bull? Let me just say bull. He's one of the bulls of Bngo. He represents retail trader, and these guys are always digging up a lot of solid DDs about Bngo. So according to him, Lineage added an ICD-10 coder this month. So if you guys are wondering what is ICD-10, I am going to explain it to you guys in this video. Now, the coder is an employee. Lineage added an employee this month. Okay, they made a job post which ended like 3 months ago, and this post, the job opening was about a coder. They were looking for somebody that is going to handle the ICD-10 for them. So first of all, let me read the quote. I quote, approximately 27 countries use ICD-10 for reimbursement and resource allocation in their health system, and some have made modifications to ICD to better accommodate its utility. The unchanged international version of ICD-10 is used in 117 countries for performing cause of death reporting and statistics. Yeah, Kimberly, Bngo will be a huge profit maker for the future pharma companies such as DXCM. Okay, that is something new. DXCM. I'm gonna go through that later, Kimberly. Thanks for bringing that up once again. DXCM. All right. So now ICD-10. For those of you that are wondering, what is ICD-10, this is it. ICD-10 specialist or patient services coordinator. This is the job post that Lineage made. It expired 3 months ago. I don't know if you guys can see this. 3 months ago it expired. So they found somebody that is going to, handle this ICD-10 for them, a specialist. And according to the job description, they said okay, right here, the successful candidate will coordinate services for patients undergoing genetic testing and review to ensure the best possible patient experience along with optimal reimbursement while building high-level relationships to deliver superior customer service. So this is about reimbursement, guys. You guys know that Lineage received a code. What was that? What's the name of that code that Lineage received? I think it was oh my god, I didn't put that code in my due diligence document. So a few months ago they received a code, and of course that code is going to help them with reimbursement, because patients can easily come to them and can check what's going on with their service, maybe some genetic testing or some developmental delay disorder testing and so on and so forth, and they get reimbursed. It means their insurance is going to cover the cost. The patients will not have to pay for the service. So this ICD is also more or less the same thing. And according to the tweet from MOM that he shared with me, you guys can see that ICD is presently approximately 27 countries use ICD-10 for reimbursement. Okay, so Lineage is trying to expand, in my opinion. I don't have confirmation from Bionano Genomics about what they are planning to do with this ICD-10, but this is the first time you guys are possibly going to hear about this, and you guys should expect me to tell you more about this in the nearest future. Okay, if there is any news from Bionano Genomics about this ICD-10, I will be the first person to let you guys know, because I always bring you the juicy news. Now take a look at this, guys. ICD-10 continues. Okay, now this is ICD-10. For those of you that are wondering what that is, ICD-10 allows for specificity regarding the cause, manifestation, location, severity, and type of injury or disease. So this thing is something, it was this is from WHO, World Health Organization. Okay, this is a code from World Health. So this not only about America, this all across the whole on different continent, not only. Yeah, what's up, Eric? Bngo is heading upward. So let me quickly take a look at what is going on with the stock price, and we can continue with the fundamental analysis. So like I told you guys about 45 minutes ago, I believe it's more than, how long are we live right now? How long have I been live? Oh my god, I'm already live like 1 hour 7 minutes. Poor. So when I went live, the price was around this level, and when this candle appeared, I told you guys I think we found a bottom. So we just have to keep enjoying it. I am super interested. I want to see where the stock price is going to close today. I am interested to see what is going to happen today. If we see if today, if the stock performs like it did on the 27th of last week, we opened red, we went down. Then at 6 p.m. German time, you guys can see the time right there, we started to go higher. Okay, then we went higher and higher. And on Friday, I think this is on Friday 28th, on Friday we opened with a cap up, but we closed down. So I want to see what's gonna happen with the stock price today. Okay, that is super interesting and exciting. So for those of you that are invested in NEO, this is what is happening with NEO right now. NEO, he's heading towards 43 US dollars. That is the next resistance. Okay, I mean this was a great opportunity to buy NEO. Okay, I have a little bit investment in NEO as well. So and Tesla, what is going on with Tesla right now? Let me switch over to 1 hour chart. Tesla has found a bottom on this moving average right here in the middle of the Bolivar band. We have to break this moving average if we are going to go lower. This trend looks bearish to me, okay, but this is Tesla we are talking about. The stock can be a beast at any moment, so I don't want to bet against Elon Musk. Now, Bngo right now is back above $6, guys. We are breaking out. I think it's due to the news that they just shared on their Twitter that possibly is affecting the stock price somehow. Okay, Bngo right now is at $6. I mean, at one point it was $5.87, but right now it is heading higher. So let's continue with the fundamental analysis so that I don't waste your time. If there is anything, guys, you can let me know in the comment section, okay, if there is any breaking news. So let's continue. So this code, what is this code going to how is it going to affect Bionano Genomics positively? We are talking about lineaging right here, and you guys know that Bngo is making a lot of money from lineaging. We are talking about total revenue last year alone we made about 1 point something million. I can't really recall how much we made from lineaging, but one thing I know is every quarter we are making a minimum of $400,000 from lineaging every quarter, a minimum. And Bionano Genomics acquired lineaging in July, I think in July. Then they shared the news with us in August 20 or 22, August 22, 2020. That is when they shared that breaking news about the acquisition of lineaging. And since August 22, from August to September, they made about 400 and something thousand $, I believe, in the third quarter of 2020 from lineaging. So now this ICD-10 is not about America alone. This is from World Health Organization. So we are talking about Germany, France, UK, any other. I really need to dig further into this ICD-10. This could be something big for Bionano Genomics, but why they are putting lineaging forward is still something I don't understand clearly, because during the first quarter of 2021 earning calls, Bionano Genomics said the chief medical officer, Dr. Alka Shaube, is working towards something amazing. She is working towards something with lineaging because she is the head of lineaging. So we need, I am waiting patiently to see what Bngo, what they are going to tell us, what they are going to keep telling us about lineaging and so on. I want to see what's going on with lineaging, what lineaging is, how much they have, what is going on, what Dr. Al-Kashabi is doing at lineaging. So I think that is all I need to share with you guys about this ICD-10. It is for reimbursement, okay? I mean, it is for reimbursement, and it's going to help the patients to get reimbursed. And if they get reimbursed, it means their insurance service is going to pay, and Bionano Genomics get to make a lot of money. So one thing I want to, before I end that ICD-10 level, there is something also like ICD-11, and the ICD-11 is the 11th revision of the International Classification of Diseases. It will eventually replace the ICD-10, okay, as the global standard for coding health information and causes of death. So it's involving over 300 specialists from 55 countries divided into 30 work groups, and it usually represents a disease or a pathogen. That is the ICD-11, and the ICD-11 will officially come into effect on the 1st of January 2022. Next year it's going to come into effect. So each country is going to choose when to adopt the ICD-11. The ICD-10 is right now in effect. So in 2022, 1st of January, the first day of January 2022, the ICD-11 is going to come into effect. So I think that's all I have to share with you guys about the ICD. So let's go on to the next one. This is something that was shared by Messenger of Moise, MOM. Okay, let me go to MOM's page. This guy is amazing. Shout out to MOM. He shared something about where is it? He shared something few minutes ago about the Pac Bio, okay, about Pac Bio, and what Simon said about Pac Bio. Pac Bio, MOM. I'm gonna find it. I am going to find it, guys. I am going to find it. I hoping it, and it's just closed automatically. I mean, this is crazy. It's closed automatically, guys. Oh my God, MOM. Is MOM online right now? MOM, Messenger of my. I think he deleted it. He deleted it. God, this was about Ark Invest and Simon, because Simon said something that, he said something, he mentioned it's more or less a bearish comment, and there is a possibility that that comment is affecting Bionano Genomics stock price right now. As at, I mean, today, there is a possibility that that is why the stock price went down today. Oh my God, I opened it, but it is gone, guys. It is gone. Invite they have bringing money, modifying allocating the kappa. I thought I understood this. So it's a Simon opined, blah 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 blah. Testing isn't low margin. You have different reimbursed test, e.g. non-indicated Germany patient, blah blah blah. I I I think somebody, there is a user on Twitter that blocked me. I am unable to see his tweets, unfortunately. I think this is the comment, okay? I am unable to see his tweet, unfortunately. You have different lower COG for non-reimbursed tests. But let me see if I can find where Simon spoke about Pac Bio and Oma. Um Oh my God. Anytime I want to talk about Ark Invest and Simon, I always find it difficult to find his crazy comments. Oh, that is so tiring, guys. That is super tiring. Okay, so what's going on with Bngo? As you guys can see, let me see how far we are down right now. Like I told you guys, I believe we should close at least, in worst case scenario, we should close like minus 1%. So right now we are, we are up a bit. I mean, we are we recovered from, it was down about 4 point something percent at one point. So right now we are down like 1.94%. So we have recovered a large, more than half percent. Okay, if you switch over to the 5 minutes candlesticks, let's take a look at the Fibonacci level and see how much we have recovered so far. So we have recovered over 50%, guys. We have recovered over 50% of the sell off, over 50%. I was watching auspicious, or what is his name? Brandon. I was watching Brandon, and when the stock price was going down, Brandon he was panicking. He was more or less going crazy. I, I mean, now we have recovered over 50%. So if we manage to recover minus, let me make this bigger. If we manage to recover about 61.8%, guys, that is it. We are heading back towards this high of the day. That's 16.18 US dollars. Don't be surprised. We need to break this 6.06 US dollars. This is the 5 minutes chart, which is of course showing us what is going on technically with the Bngo stock price. So never tip your hand with a stop loss that is higher than the last low price. Look at the option prices to see where you will be dumped. Option prices. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video, guys. I think we have about 11 concurrent viewers right now. I'm gonna end this video. If I don't get up to 20 viewers, there is no I'm just gonna have to stop sharing the fundamental analysis, and we're just gonna spend some time looking at the technical analysis, and I would rather make a video about this and share more information, which of course is going to get more views and more participants. So 12 more minutes and I'm going to end this video. We are going to end it at 1 hour 30 minutes. That should be enough. Okay, I was hoping Sharon was going to come online today as well, but she didn't come online because I promised I was going to come online today. So if you guys have any question for me, please let me know in the comment section. This is what is happening right now with the technical analysis of Bngo. You guys can see we broke the 61.8% retracement, which means everybody that panicked sold at this level are now crying. The paper hands that got out at this level must be regretting right now. because the stock price has more or less recovered a little bit. Nobody expected the price to go down to 5.87 US dollars today, but you know, the stock market is a very, very difficult thing to predict. And if anybody knows what is gonna happen if I know what's gonna happen in the future, I would be a millionaire already. That's why I don't day trade Bngo. That's why I am just invested in Bngo. So, guys, NEO is up today 7.74%. NEO 7.74%. Look at that. That is crazy. 7.74% today. This is the chart of NEO, guys. There is a breakout happening on NEO. NEO. Look at that. There is a breakout happening presently on NEO. So Bngo is heading higher. I'm just gonna wait and see what's gonna happen with the stock price. It looks like, you know, we got out of the bearish trend, and more or less the stock is trying to go back to where it's opened at. We opened today at 6.15 US dollars. 6.15 US dollars. That's what we opened today, guys. 6.15 US dollars. And it seems the stock price is trying to go back to that level. Bngo, Bionano Genomics, guys. If this is your first time, I think most of you guys that are watching me right now are more or less my die hard fans. So I don't think we have any new viewers online right now. So guys, please check out the due diligence and learn as much as possible about Bionano Genomics. I'm going to be updating this as time goes on. I am going to be updating this because right now I managed to put it is 72 pages. I managed to make it 72 pages. Okay, it wasn't easy, believe me. I mean, this took me weeks to put together. So you guys can find a lot of information about Bngo on the due diligence page. You know, you can find a lot, tons of information about the company. This looks good right now. Bngo looks good right now. Let me switch over to the 15-minute chart and see what is going on. You guys can see for the past 31 hour, since we started this live stream, Bionano Genomics has been going higher. Maybe I just have to be doing live stream, like, you know, throughout the whole of the market. Whenever the market is open, I just come on live stream. Perhaps somehow I am bringing luck to the price of the stock, to the stock price. There is a resistance right here. There is a resistance at 6.08 US dollars if you take a look at the 15-minute chart. So we just have to break it and go higher. Okay, so I think that's where I'm going to end today's video. If you guys have any question, please drop it. If not, I am just going to wish you guys a wonderful evening, and I'm going to record a video right now, so I'll be sharing it with you guys. And on the next couple of hours, you should receive a notification about the new video, and or you can just, you know, easily come back to the channel and check out if I have uploaded a new video or not, should in case you didn't receive any notification, because YouTube algorithm is going crazy. You know, it's very difficult to get viewers to see your video right now. I don't know what's going on with YouTube algorithm, guys. So that's where we're going to end this video. I am your boy Dayo. This is Frunkla Investment. If you have any question, I am just still waiting, like one more minute. If you have any question, one more minute, guys. So one more minute, guys. If you have any question, let me know. Going. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.